Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Xiaomi 13 Pro with a cracked display, as you can see there. That it needs a new one, so let's get right into it. So you can see there, the display is still responding to touch, but there's a very prominent crack on the side that's shooting up like a laser line through the smartphone. So we're just comparing the replacement display here. So this is not going to be a black color one, it's going to be silver, so it's going to be a trade-off. But aside from the color, this is the same replacement display for this smartphone. I'm going to slice it. Remove the back cover. Try to open this up. There you go, you can see the internal components. I'm going to remove the screws on the main board. So everything that we can see here, we're just going to remove it and transplant them to the new display. And look at that camera lens though. What's up with that? I think it's a zoom lens. Remove this cover. This is the wireless charging module, I guess. And we're going to remove a lot of connectors between the main board and the daughter board. Oh, we can still test if the replacement display will work with our unit or not. Let's get to testing. Let's turn this on. And right off the bat, it's showing us the Xiaomi logo. Also gonna turn on the brightness and test a bit. I'm gonna check the cameras. David is making faces again. Both cameras are all working. That's the main camera and the front camera. I'm gonna shut it down, detach the replacement display, and get right into the disassembly process. I'm gonna remove some connectors. I'm gonna detach some antenna cables, remove the main board, and pull this tab to remove the battery. I'm also gonna remove this, pull this tab to remove the tape that covers the back of the battery. Also serves as the adhesive. Of course, we're gonna reuse this, so put it back in. Not to damage it a lot, it's quite a bit scuffed up. Gonna remove the antenna cables on the side here, and along with it the daughter board. I think there's a lot of components here, the daughter board. So this is our replacement display, silver. So if you're keen on maintaining the original look of your smartphone, then this might be a deal breaker for you, but the client doesn't care, just wants to repair the Xiaomi 13 Pro that they have. And of course, if you change the color, it's going to be like a brand new phone without paying another full retail price for a brand new phone. We're gonna put back the components right back into the replacement display. So replacement display slash housing, so it's a combination quite amazing actually. You can also repair just the display, leave the housing, original housing, but it's gonna take some more time. This is more efficient. You can do this in under an hour. So if you want the Xiaomi 13 Pro fix, you want to change the battery, you want to change the display, you can message us and leave a comment down below. We will perform the repair for you here in the shop. If you're not around Sydney, you can just send in your broken smartphone via mail. Message David first so he knows what to expect. Maybe he doesn't have the parts or don't repair your specific model. I'm going to screw back everything back in. I'm gonna make it quicker and turn this on, and it still boots up. That's a good sign. And we're just gonna put back the back cover, and that's gonna be it. We'll say goodbye to the Xiaomi 13 Pro. We're gonna give it back to the client so they can use it for 2 or more years, give or take. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. You can leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions, questions, inquiries on the services that we offer here in the shop. And don't forget to like and subscribe, of course. You can support the channel that way. And you can see that the zoom on this smartphone is very strong. Look at that. You can see some atoms on that zoom lens. So that's going to be it. Thanks for joining, guys. Take care of yourself. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.